I am sitting in a 2016 Subaru Crosstrek. We are going to be adding 2 OEM brand new smart keys to this vehicle. These are the 2 new ones. This one here is the existing one, and it only works when you touch the start button as it was damaged. So we're going to get these 2 programmed in before it's too late and the car doesn't see the key. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Crosstrek, key coding, 16, smart key 1. Hazards are on, your hazards are right there. Counter keys, there's 2. Plenty of room left for 2 more. We're going to program the next key. Doors are closed. Okay, now we'll take the registered key, touch the start button. Okay, it beeped. Now we're going to take the next key and we're going to touch the button, and it's going to beep twice, just like a Toyota system. There's two beeps. 2 beeps. Perfect. Then we'll just wait here just a second. Press escape. Okay. Check the key count. It only said there's 2 keys programmed, but it's going to show 4. There we go. All right, key is programmed in the system. Now we should be able to touch the start button, which we couldn't do before, and turn this thing on. There we go. Okay. Put my foot on the brake, start it. The vehicle starts, and we are done.